Oh my goodness, it's 7:30. I'm gonna be late for school. I have no time for breakfast. I gotta go.
Here you go.
Oh man, I'm so hungry, but I'm gonna be late for school. I can't believe I missed breakfast. No.
Pretty late. Oh no.
So I heard you missed breakfast, friend.
Who are you guys?
We're the Breakfast Boys.
Pick any item from our menu.
Go. I'll have the omelet.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you. So good. Thanks, Breakfast Truck Boys. You really saved the day.
No problem, John. We're always watching you and looking out for you. After all, the only reason we do this is for the boys who couldn't get breakfast, that is.
I love the Breakfast Truck Boys.